Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Prismavisuals. Today we're tackling bone rigging for cars in Reconn 4D. Let's get started. First things first, get your 3D car model into Reconn 4D. Import it or build one right here. Once it's in, let's make it look nice with some textures and materials. Play around, get it looking how you want. A good base makes the rest easier. Now, for setting up the bones, we'll delete a wheel, let's say a back one. Just select it and hit delete. We'll put it back, don't worry. This helps us focus on the wheel setup. Next, we're going to use the 3D to 2D tool. This can make placing those initial wheel bones a bit more precise. Find that tool and click it. Now in 2D, grab the bone tool. We're going to place a bone right in the center of where each wheel's axle would be. Be precise with this. The center is key. You might need to tweak the position to get it perfect. Do this for all the wheels, even the one we deleted. This sets up the control points for when we reattach them. Alright, bring back that deleted wheel position each one so its center lines up exactly with the wheel bone you just placed. Now, you need to link or parent the wheel model to its bone. This tells Reconn 4D that the wheel should rotate when the bone does. Look for a parent or link command in the interface. Finally, let's add some bones to the car's main body. For simple animation, a central bone in the chassis will do. For more complex stuff like opening parts, you'd add bones at their pivot points. For now, just add a central body bone. This lets you move and rotate the whole car. Use the bone tool and place it in the center of the car's body. And that's the basics of adding bones to your car in Reconn 4D. It takes some practice to get it perfect. If this helped, hit like, comment with questions, share it, and subscribe for more Reconn 4D tips. Thanks for watching.